How to reduce image size and Snapseed. So first, just simply tap your Snapseed app to open it. Now, once you're here, tap on the three dot icon here on the top right, then go to settings. Now, once you're on the settings section, go to the export and share options. And under that, you will see the image sizing and format and quality. So if you go to image sizing, as you can see, you can choose the maximum image size for export and sharing. So you can set the pixels. So reducing the pixel count of an image reduces its resolution, which results in a loss of detail, a less sharp appearance, and potentially jagged or pixelated edges. So you can lower the pixels if you want for a lower image size, but what I recommend is this one, which is the format and quality. So as you can see, you have this JPEG 95%, you have the 100%, you have the JPEG 80%. So here you can choose the format and compression rate that will be applied when exporting or sharing an image. So JPEG 100% will apply the lowest compression rate at the cost of increased file size. So if you go with 100, you will get more image or file size, but if you go with the JPEG 80%, you will have a higher compression rate and of course a lower file size. So just simply select the JPEG 80% or select anything that you prefer out of these options right here. And if the size or the image size is still not enough for you and you want to lower it more, that's when you go to the image sizing right here. And that is how you basically reduce image size and Snapseed.